Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So this is day one in Goa, or day two in Goa. A lot of eating and all happening, so I forgot what date it is. Anyway, we are heading to have breakfast now. Woke up early only to have that breakfast, and of course it's free buffet. Who complimentary is not a good word to say. Free is something that everybody wants, no matter what. So we're gonna have our breakfast, and then we haven't planned the rest of the day. So let's see later on what to do. Maybe while having breakfast, we'll decide what to do next. So
चला तर पाहू
आजचा दिवस कसा जातो?
super crowded no
That's why they said during
8 to 8:30
that is the best time to come, and obviously at that time we can't wake up. Not possible.
एक ही दिन तो मिलता है सोने को संडे
Starting off with the white bread, then we have brown bread, peanut butter, honey, almond butter, croissant, Spanish muffins. Everything is empty. I don't know about choice. Coconut donut, this they will have for sure. My favorite is here. Of course, man. So honestly, I'm not impressed with the buffet. JW Marriott has a better spread, a lot of varieties, but again, as compared to other places, maybe Radisson's is better, but not as great as JW Marriott's for sure. To date, JW Marriott, the best. I'll just show you what all I've got as of now. So I got myself some cheese dosa. I asked him to make it extra crispy. Followed my sausages and bread I started having already. Scrambled eggs for me, of course, and sunny side up for Hriday.
Today you want juice? Baby, you want something? So this is Hriday's breakfast, baby's breakfast, and this is mine.
So they are on video call with the family.
Say hi.
Daddy ka mood hai.
Good morning.
They are on video call. I am doing editing while having my muffin, donuts, and tea cake with chai. I don't think I'll be able to take up, but my wife is one shameless girl. She does not care. She leaves no stone unturned in embarrassing me.
What embarrassing.
हाँ पैसे भरा है तो चाहिए है ना.
No, why to waste? I asked for a paper bag. They gave.
Go and take some more, no?
No. इधर है ना.
ये fruits भी लेना फिर.
नहीं.
Vlog is getting uploaded.
Vlog is getting uploaded आणि आमचं जस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट झाला. कसं वाटलं ब्रेकफास्ट?
It was good, decent. I will give you a detailed review in some time about it.
The
It
expert will
started off,
talk.
disappointing note, but it ended up in a very good note. That's all I can
Give
say.
that food review what you were saying. अभी इधर इतना आवाज नहीं है, so you can.
So the
talk.
thing is, I don't know whether we are to be blamed or whatever be the scenario. So we started comparing this immediately. The moment we entered, we started comparing with JW Marriott. And JW Marriott buffet spread is totally another level. So initial thing was like, अरे यार ज़्यादा चीज़ नहीं है खाने के लिए. The varieties are less, and the spread is not that great. So I was disappointed initially with that regards. But then I started eating, and with time.
No, I think they had a lot of live counter variety, and whatever was
हाँ.
displayed was less. And
Less.
there was no menu where we could read ki what is available in live counter. But if you would go and tell them, they would give it to us.
Egg
I
Benedict
think-
was not there, so that's the only disappointment. But their scrambled egg, their dosas, and all
Tasty.
were amazing. They all were good.
The
And,
kiwi yogurt.
Yeah, salads. Then I had lettuce and olive oil and sausages, so that was amazing again. Tea was really good. So in all it was a decent buffet from
हाँ,
disappointment
it's just
to
that display of food items were less. So initially आम्हाला वाटलं की
expectation of married रहता है.
हाँ,
And
it जसा
unfortunately, I don't know. We missed out on booking GW Marriott, but like ठीक है, we settled for Radisson's and okay.
it's okay. Ridge is a foodie, you all know. So whenever food disappoints him, he is very vocal about it. But all in all, it was a good breakfast.
What are you doing? Sure.
I swear we have to eat it like that. And now eat.
Did I come here?
They come here.
Mama's giving that to you. Eat.
Do they eat and tell me how it is?
ये सब में उसका मुंह खुलता है बराबर.
You also eat and see.
No thanks. I don't like
Seriously,
chocolate.
it's tasty.
I don't like chocolate. मत दे मेरे को.
Okay, I'll have mine.
You have yours. I
Hriday
gave
will
Hriday
have
his. So guys, we had our breakfast and now we are off to the beach. So where are we going? Which beach?
That all geography, you know, I just know.
बागा
we are
में तो
going to
बागा
Sand
बीच में
Beach.
बागा में तो बागा बीच ही जाएंगे. So we are going there now. We're all dressed up. Look at this hottie. Yeah, and now let's go. Where's Hriday? Where he's holding a tripod stand. Present. Nice. Let's go. Going to a beach after a very long time. Now, just want to lie down. Hriday will go and enjoy playing in the water.
Then are you taking me shopping?
Sorry, what? I can't do it. My ears are blocked, you know, nowadays. इधर जाके क्या शॉपिंग करने कह रहे तेरे को? हाँ, ओके ना, चल ना. Just pulling your leg. क्या बोलूँ अभी? I'll compensate that with food. For me, it's food. For her, it is shopping. My wife's looking super hot. She got this outfit in Goa only, right?
Yeah.
शॉपिंग किया ना ऑलरेडी. और फिर भी और शॉपिंग करने का है तेरे को.
Hey baby, take a bag. I forgot. Get that bag.
I'll go and get the car. बस. बोला मैं लोगे बहुत है इधर.
यहाँ से close जाना. Not यहाँ से, like that.
So we just parked our car and now we are on our way to the beach. Best part is got the parking, so I'm more than sorted. Parking का ही लफड़ा रहता है और कुछ नहीं. And we got a good place to park. And 40 rupees for 4 hours of parking. Very, very, very reasonable. Want to go from here or from?
Take less from there.
Yeah. No, but I'm fine with these glares.
Or else take Hriday and give Hriday mine.
No, that's fine. Let him wear it. No, thanks. Club in. No, that's fine. You want to put? This is Club Mahendra's promotional scenes happening.
बस देखना है ना.
अगर आता है तो ऑफिस में जाकर प्राइस लेना होता है
Better
उनका देख लीजिए बेटर लेके 80% लोगों को
luck next time.
Alright. Come on, let's see. Hriday, maybe you will have something.
Hriday. Open.
Open and see.
Wait.
Oh, something is there. Open and see it there.
वाह, बधाई हो सर।
You are guaranteed one of the below prizes.
वन आप जीत चुके हैं। यू आर गारंटेड वन ऑफ द बिलो प्राइज। इसमें 4 प्राइज है मैम, 4 में से एक आपको दिया जाएगा। कोई पैसा पे नहीं करना है वहाँ पर ऑफिस में जाकर। जो भी स्क्रैच करेंगे चारों में जो भी आएगा दे दिया जाएगा। हमारा प्रमोशन देने का चल रहा है, पार्ट ऑफ प्रमोशन नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए। आप टूरिस्ट हैं सर? कहाँ से सर आने वाले? एज 34 होगी ना होगा सर? एज 30 उनको एक आईडी दिखाइए, जिस होटल में स्टिक है उस होटल का नाम, एक आईडी दिखा दीजिए। हम प्रमोशन के लिए चाय कॉफ़ी वहाँ पर सर्व करते हैं मैम। थोड़ा पार्ट ऑफ प्रमोशन का अपने रिजोर्ट का वीडियो दिखाते हैं। 60 मिनट का प्रेजेंटेशन छोटा सा रहता है। उसके बाद स्क्रैच करेंगे सर, जो भी प्राइस जाएगा वहीं दे दिया जाएगा। कोई पैसा
तो अभी हम लोग स्क्रैच करके देख सकते हैं कि उधर ही
हम तो दे नहीं सकते, मैनेजर के सामने कैमरे में करना
अभी
होता है। अभी करना है।
ठीक है, चलो ना।
पार्ट ऑफ प्रमोशन हमारा 60 मिनट का रहता है। चाय को नहीं
60 minutes run on your stay.
क्या 1 घंटा उधर बैठने के?
थोड़ा अपना वीडियो दिखाते हैं। यहाँ रिजोर्ट यहाँ गोवा में 4 हैं। नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी आए मैंने जैसे प्रॉपर्टी में आप स्टे कर सकते हो। उसका
You want to take a risk with them will be
दिस प्रमोशन यू हैव नो कॉस्ट एनी अदर एप्लीकेशन। कोई भी
वो
चार्ज नहीं पे
मेंबरशिप का चार्ज
कर
भरना पड़ता है,
कुछ-
मुझे
कुछ
पता
भी
है।
नहीं।
और देन दे से अगर ये चाहिए तो आपको ये
नहीं,
पैकेज
क्या है
लेना
ना,
पड़ेगा, है ना?
मेंबरशिप 10 लोग
ऐसा ही है।
नहीं, हमारा प्लान बताते हैं 10 लोग जाते हैं। मेंबरशिप कोई नहीं लेता, प्राइस सबको दिया जाता है। मात्र एक ही
हाँ,
लोग
बट
member
1 घंटा उधर रुकने के लिए बहुत ये
नहीं
टाइम।
मैं कब आपका समय निकाल ऐसे में बैठेंगे, थोड़ा रिलैक्स भी कर लेंगे, अपना प्राइस लेकर चले
नहीं,
जाएंगे। कोई
नहीं।
पैसा पे
चल।
नहीं करना
आके
है।
कर सकते
ऐसा करें, एंट्री कर दीजिए। 7 विनर होने हैं, 5 हो चुके हैं। आप एंट्री रहेगा तो आप अपना कर सकते हैं। आइए सर।
Let's see how it is. Related to the cup, Mahindra already they give. Anyways, we received too many calls from them. So.
Then come sit.
What else smiling for? Successfully wasted 20 minutes of our time.
They used to give all these coupons outside DMart also.
हाँ ना,
And then what they
वो
do,
4 में से वो लग्जरी वाला ही मिलेगा और कुछ नहीं।
हाँ, they just give
हाँ।
stay कि हाँ आप देख लो।
हाँ, और कुछ खास नहीं है।
मैडम केरी पाइनएप्पल
Yeah.
नींबू पानी नींबू तो डालो।
अरे but it's too tempting रे because all Apple products.
All these now.
1 minute. Way too many stalls here. But where we want to go, we don't know any place to go. You want to enter from here only? ठीक है. The stand is for taxis and all. Let's see. Let's see. नहीं थैंक यू, नो थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू। महिंद्रा ने किया, इसका अभी दूसरा वाला अभी आ नहीं वे टू मैनी पीपल telling us way too many things to do. It's too hot. Huh?
Look at this.
Yeah, when we have a daughter, okay?
Yeah.
Good dream. Keep dreaming. Finally getting to see the beach. Hey cows. Why are they here in Goa? Aren't they safe? Aren't they safe in Goa? We need to find a nice shack.
Last time also we came from here, no?
No, we didn't come from here. Baby, give me the bag, I'll hold. You walk and find a nice place.
देख लो पसंद आएगा तो एंकलेट तो देख लो ऐसे लेना
नहीं नहीं
गिफ्ट देने के लिए भी आएगा
नहीं, थैंक यू.
50 में दे रहा है मैडम ज़्यादा महंगा देख लो एक गोली हो जाएगा
Baby's negotiating and all that stuff. What happened? What is he saying?
It's like 10 minutes people will leave
पक्का ना?
मैं देगा ना, मैं तो मैं किधर से बच्चे को बिठा दूंगा, ठीक है?
चलेगा ये अच्छा टेर. देखो हम लोग अभी पूरा शाम तक ही है इधर. हाँ. Now it is 2. 3, 4, 5. हाँ.
6 बजे तक बैठ.
6 बजे तक चाहिए. हाँ. You told him the rate and all ना कंफर्म ना बाद में फिर.
है ना अभी भैया
जाएंगे नीचे देखिए.
We got a place at a good rate.
I bargained
Yeah, thanks to her.
so he was saying तो बोलत होता 200 रुपये फॉर 1 आवर आणि फक्त हे 2 बेंच होते ह्या शॅकमध्ये वॉट एव्हर आय डोंट नो वॉट इट कॉल्ड सो देन वी टोल्ड हिम की 3 तासासाठी अजून एक लावून 400 साठी देऊन टाक
Good. Now we'll have our fun. Maybe car keys have kept safely, right?
तिथे मागे टेकून बस
Show you the view how it is. This is where we are. And that's how the beach is. So basically our intention coming here is to just relax and nothing else. Relax and go back home.
एवढं
Because
छान वाटतंय ना
once we go to Bombay, it's going to be back to our life and God knows we're going to come in next. So we are of the opinion to not go to many places and find out the best rates. We are like, we are paying you the amount, give us the service, very simple. So we have got a good place to rest, good view, and now we have ordered for a hookah. So baby is actually getting it all ready and set up. Obviously we will be putting the cover. I don't like sharing all that. You also know that, right? And baby though is very particular on that scenarios. So let's see. Hriday is clueless. He's wondering why am I sandwiched between them, right?
I know. Because we have to wait for one more chair.
You want to go to the this? Huh? How was it, baby? Nice, enjoyable.
Did they go there now?
You go there.
Sit here.
Come this side if you want. Come here.
Yeah, let him sit here.
I'll come in the middle, so you'll be comfortable.
And by the way, we have called for a tobacco-free hookah.
Yes.
Just FYI, before we get
8 comments.
hate comments, yeah, it's tobacco-free.
Soon I'll be having a massage as well. I'll ask for a leg massage. Let's see.
And get हवा निदर बना के
Your choice, do
वो
whatever.
निकालने को बहुत टाइम लगता है
इजीली है. एक नोट खोल देने का खुल जाएगा. जब भी नहीं चाहिए तब तक रखो आप. वॉशेबल है, शाम को भी करो. रेडीमेड लेना है तो रेडीमेड वाला लो.
रेडीमेड
रबर बैंड
Azam है तो they have GPay first.
क्लिप वाला है. क्लिप के साथ लगा सकते
ये कैसे है
हैं. ऐसा रबर बैंड.
ये कैसे है
ये 200 का 4 है. वो
सिंगल नहीं है इसमें
इसमें सिंगल है. अगर चाहिए तो मैं सेम बना के देगा. एग्जैक्ट सेम.
रबर बैंड में
रबर बैंड में चाहिए तो सिंगल.
वो कितने का और एक अगर बाल में बनाना है तो 150 वो 50 बोल रहे हो
अलग अलग होता है कलर के हिसाब से. कितना कितने बनाने.
शाइनी वाला बनाना
सामने वाला
अच्छा दिखाओ
प्लेन बना दो.
तो शाइनी वाला कितना 80
100
दिखाओ शाइनी
दिखा
वाला
दो. डाल दो।
I'll make chal 100 का एक.
यही क्रेडिट डील.
Which one?
I like the one shells.
Shells is anklet.
अच्छा.
If you want, I could sell also, Didi, but different.
No.
Like the colorful one.
Where is colorful one?
This one is nice.
Neon, I don't want. I can't understand only there are so many.
Take one. Very nice. Shoes.
बना दो आपके हिसाब से कोई भी 100 रुपीज में एक. अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. हाँ? They come sit behind Dalu. Sit here.
Children from behind, no? Behind, come behind.
Behind, yeah. Sit.
मम्मा tell me one.
बाल खोलना पड़ेगा क्या? इधर ही बना.
Follow me.
कितना टाइम लगता है ये बनाने में?
2 मिनट लगेगा सर.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
वॉशेबल है ये.
हाँ दीदी वॉशिंग. शैम्पू भी करो, जब नहीं चाहिए तब हटा. मैं बता दूंगी कैसा हटा. बस एक नोट मारूंगी नीचे.
टाइट अच्छे से बनाना. अच्छा अच्छे से रहना चाहिए एक दिन तक.
दीदी एक दिन नहीं, एक हफ्ता रखो, कुछ
हाँ।
नहीं होगा. हाँ. जब आप वापस जाओगी तब खोल दो.
आपका नाम क्या है?
ललिता देवी.
आपको बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश भी आती है ना बोलने.
हाँ दीदी.
बस बोलो कुछ इंग्लिश में.
क्या बोलो दीदी.
कुछ भी बोल दो. बोलो दीदी आप हम दोनों को बहुत आशीर्वाद दो.
दीदी दे रहे ना. ये गिव गुड लग दीदी फॉर.
आप यहीं रहते हो?
नहीं दीदी हम यहीं रहते हैं यहीं, बट हम लोग हैं कर्नाटक से.
कर्नाटका में किधर?
ये भी
गदर।
कर्नाटक से ही. हम लोग भी कर्नाटक से ही है.
हुबली.
मैं मैंगलोर का.
हुबली.
मैंगलुरु. नाउ दे कॉल मैंगलुरु.
बेंगलुरु.
ना हुबली.
हम लोग यहाँ बारकोर बोलते हैं. एक बारकोर जगह है उधर से.
आप हुबली से हो?
हम हुबली से.
हाँ क्लोज बाय. इतना भी दूर नहीं है.
हाँ. ये देखो ये पिंक कलर का लो, जब भी नहीं चाहिए तब.
थैंक यू.
एक ही बनाना है, 2 बना लो, दोनों से मस्त लगेगा.
नहीं
You want to do both?
वन ओनली विल लुक गुड.
हाँ. Nice.
भैया फॉर यू ब्रेसलेट.
नहीं रे. मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. मेरे को डालता नहीं है.
See Hriday.
Thank you.
मेरे रेस्टोरेंट में
It's good to support the local.
What is
I
100 rupees here? I mean, other
For them
places
it's a
are
lot.
lot. No, that's saying. Some of them will say, "अरे उन लोग का धंधा even if they have 10 people, they get 1,000." It's okay. That's how they are doing for their living.
At least they are doing something.
Correct. I'll go and buy a sand kit for Hriday since he is enjoying the sand. Hey, he's running. Cartoon only is cartoon, big cartoon. Cartoon number 1. In search for a sand kit, and here I found one. ये बड़े वाला का कितना? और ये कुछ कम नहीं? लास्ट यही है क्या? पक्का? ये 200 में दे दो ना. नहीं होगा? चलो दे जाओ. मैं थोड़ा सा वहीं पे खड़ा हूँ मैं. एक मिनट. ये सेम है कि अलग है? ये अलग है कि सेम है सब? क्या क्या क्या? और ये इससे क्या बनता है? इससे क्या बनता है? वो भी कैसे भी है ना? वो बड़े वाले को कितना वो? 250 का ही है.
हाँ.
चल दे दो. गूगल पे है ना? हाँ. इधर टेक आई गॉट दैट फॉर यू. किधर है पेमेंट करने के? उसको दे दो. बाबा को दे दो. किधर गूगल पे? Many other
100 रुपए
things.
में
Looks good. We just got it. Vidya, you're happy? Chalo, let's go. You are also losing weight. Walking only, I feel better, I guess. Finally got it.
Yeah, now sit here and play, okay?
If she wants to play anything, she can play.
Play with that.
Come share, okay?
Share with her, okay? And be here only, don't go far. Give I'll open.
He is
Yeah,
more
come.
smarter than you. He will open things easily.
Good,
Come
good.
on,
Sit,
you can
put
do
it
it.
down only and play.
Here,
okay?
here, pull it up.
Put it down, put it down.
Put it down, go, put it down.
Put the toys down. Yeah. Now play.
Enjoy.
Baby, I'm getting a tattoo.
You.
Really?
Permanent or?
Yeah, permanent.
Why?
I want to.
It's against our religion.
You
Go ahead, make it. I was just pulling your leg.
Yeah.
If you're mentioning my name, make it a bit bigger.
I'm not
okay?
writing any name. I'm making a butterfly on my leg. Is that okay?
Seriously?
Yeah.
Butterfly.
Yeah.
Butterfly.
Yeah. See, you're dropping, babu.
Butterfly.
Ask him to clean. Happy?
Oh yeah. What's with you and tattoo now?
I told him कि जब sir आएंगे ना तभी बनाओ. So he'll come and he'll make.
I don't believe you.
See, I have never done all these things, okay?
Exactly. And to
It's
do
like-
a tattoo, you need to be careful of the needles. God knows whether it's sterilized and all. It's too risky. Now she's demotivating me.
Yeah.
I am only saying safety or kuch nahi.
You're underestimating me.
इसमें underestimation किधर आ गया? A husband will always care for his wife, right? क्या?
Now you see when he comes what he does. Magic.
So, baby and I have decided to go for a tattoo. So we have checked the design, we've selected the design already. Now we won't show how it's made, we keep a surprise and
We'll
then
show you when it's made.
made. Yes.
Okay,
Direct.
bye. Enjoying his tattoo.
What do you want, darling? You want some?
What happened? Why you're getting frustrated? Oh, you have to put entire and then put it upside down. Then you'll build it, okay?
एक दिन में कितना टैटूज बनाते हो आप? हाँ आराम से होता रहेगा ना. अभी क्या बट ये अभी ऑफ सीजन है ना? ऑन सीजन में तो बहुत आता रहेंगे. We also come once in a year, so once in a year to do all this is fun. You know, this is what you need to experience. Drinking, sitting, drinking, going clubs. That we do it in Mumbai also. Yeah. But the actual beauty of sitting on the beach, getting all this tattoos done, and of course getting a massage and then dozing off to sleep, that's completely different. We are yet to go on the water. Let's see. Baby also is getting a tattoo.
अच्छा बनाओ, दिखना चाहिए.
This is how the beach should be cleaned. One person cleaned the entire beach, kept it in plastic bag. So now they're collecting it. DMC, please launch something. make any tattoos, please contact him. He will be here in Baga Beach. हाँ Baga Beach में ही रहते ना और किधर? Baga Beach में ही है. So whenever you see him, please go ahead and make it. My tattoo looks good. Baby's tattoo also looks to be. Hey baby, don't touch. It's amazing. Thank you. Thank you. Do whatever you want. Don't listen to mama. Don't. Like he's enjoying it like that. He's making a body castle. Hriday, enjoy. Do whatever you want. Hriday is still enjoying his sand. And baby, being a doting mother, wants to feed the child.
Tasty, no? That's our stand. And Hriday is थोड़ा गरम है, हाँ संभाल के खा. टेस्टी टेस्टी. इतना जो ड्राइविंग किया मेरे को इतना लेके आया उसके लिए तेरे को गिफ्ट मेरी तरफ से. So now baby's taking a leg massage.
I get tickled very fast. told him आराम से करो, तो मैं हंसेगा ये तो. Was not supposed to take any massage, but then she saw how well my massage is going on, so now she is also taking up a massage. Look at that. It is relaxing. Hriday is on a different tangent.
हृदय को उसका चीज
What's up? As long as you're enjoying. Oh, look at this relaxed face. Now she wants an anklet. Oh.
अभी लिया ना ये और वो साथ में कराया. ऐसे मत करो आप दीदी प्लीज.
You're just buying for us and I thought let me also buy for myself. This is better.
बट वो लटकता रहेगा. चलेगा. हाँ.
I wanted like that one.
या ओके. इसमें ये सब ही है.
हार्ड कॉपी लेना या सॉफ्ट कॉपी लेना?
सॉफ्ट कॉपी और हार्ड कॉपी.
हार्ड कॉपी. एक हार्ड कॉपी और सॉफ्ट कॉपी तो ठीक है, वो and everything is done. So left from Baga, had a very good time, relaxed, enjoyed, and now we are filled with sand. And now we are going towards our car. Our car is on the other side, I guess. We can walk it up straight. Is that side? Walking towards our car. Best part is we got parking, so that was an added advantage to everything basically.
Look at this car in the vlog.
Oh yeah.
Come here, come here.
Oh yeah, it looks beautiful.
I'm clicking some pictures.
Okay. Pictures कभी खत्म होते ही नहीं है.
आता आम्ही परत हॉटेलला आलो आहे. सुपर टायर्ड.
Go and freshen up now.
येस. सो आम्ही एवढ्या घाई गडबडीमध्ये ॲक्च्युअलमध्ये जो टॅटू आम्ही काढला तो तर दाखवायला विसरूनच गेलो. सो बेबीचा टॅटू काहीतरी असा आहे.
Nice, no?
अँड माय टॅटू आय विल शो.
Baby's tattoo? Not there.
It's here.
Butterfly, titli. We are back to our hotel room. We had a shower, and now baby is making tea. Correct?
Yes.
How are you making tea?
With our premix.
Yeah, we always carry this at DMart Jai Ho. So we carry our premix. I'll show it to you. Kidhar hai wo premix? Yes. This premix we use, and when we had come to Goa a year and a half for the first time, that's when baby introduced me to that. And believe me, uske baad not only me, our entire gang loved it. That used to always come in our room and drink tea. Correct, no baby?
Yes.
So Girnar masala chai, 2 please. 3. Hriday, I gonna have tea? Okay, so only 2. He'll have his juice. So this is Bisleri chai. Pura dalna, baby.
We don't need that much water.
Baby, there's 500 ml. From that 250 only you have put.
I'll make nice tea, don't worry.
I know you make nice tea, that's why I want more. And it's ready. Water is boiled. Now I'm gonna put it those. Hey, kidhar hai mix? Hey, we came out, right?
We always get so many things now that it's always loaded only. No place to even make.
Correct. I want to pour.
I want these has stirrers also.
Yeah, you get it in the box. Why did you open that and you're pouring, darling?
I thought कि वो धुआं नहीं तो पूरा मुंह पे आता है.
Oh.
Want me to close it?
हाँ, close. No, it'll be safer also. पानी मारेगा, it'll be
अरे if it opens, no, it's new, no, मतलब पता नहीं है ना.
correct.
I have already had experiences, that's why. See how much? Enough?
Yeah. What are we eating with? Are we having something with that?
Sure. Let's go. Whether you want coconut water or something else?
Chai with this. Keep this. So I was busy editing the vlog. Maybe you're getting another tea?
I'll get juice for him. Take Hriday. Come.
So for dinner, we have decided to come to Fish Deck.
अरे यार काय बोलायला गेलो तर गाणं चालू होतं. कॉपीराईट.
Finally. Hriday, check this out. He wants his. It's hot. We're going ahead with calamari, butter garlic, and baby's favorite, Alfredo pasta. Are you enjoying your pasta? Very good, no? गिराया क्या? It's okay. It happens.
People will say कि इधर आके क्या पास्ता खा रही है, but बहुत पाव हो गया अभी.
So guys, I hope you liked this day 2 of our Goa trip. It was an amazing day. Since morning we enjoyed everything and nothing was planned. It wasn't that ki we'll do this. Whatever was done was all impromptu. Making of the tattoo, buying Hriday's sand kit, clicking photos, 86 photos at that rate, believe me, very reasonable. And it was like an unplanned thing and we were happy. Had we planned, and we maybe wouldn't have met those expectations. Here there was no expectation, so we enjoyed more. So
And the massage was relaxing.
Yes, the massage was relaxing and I'm sure he also enjoyed it. Anyway, असा होता
आजचा
आजचा.
हा आमचा दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला
सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.